First you'll write this form, right? This is the most simplest thing you'll always do. In place of a and b, you can write this, है ना? So I can say this will become x minus 6 whole square plus y plus 5 whole square is equals to r square. Okay, now whose center is 6 comma minus 5. So 6 comma minus, this is my center, and the circle टच कर रहे हैं तो रेडियस दिख रहा है ना, ये होगा, समझ में आ रही है? टच कर रहे हैं, इफ इट सेज टचेस, रिमेंबर बेटा, टचेस मींस इट्स अ टैंजेंट, राइट? तो I know already that my radius will be 5 because this point is 5, right? So radius will be 5. Okay, again, look. I'm making a circle that touches the x-axis. Okay. Okay. The center is 6 comma minus 5. This is 6 and this is minus 5. Beta, if it is touching, what will be this length? 5. From here till here, what will be the length?
6 till -5.
Not 6. This is 0 to minus 5. X coordinate is 6. This length is 5. And no matter how you touch it, it will always be going exactly vertically downwards, you know? It is touching. So indirectly, they give you the radius as well, but through a different way. So this is one thing you can remember for your future questions, that if it says touches the x-axis, that means it is a tangent. Tangents are always perpendicular to the center. Perpendicular straight to the center from the x-axis will make this length as 5. So now you have radius 5 as well, right?
Particular equation to solve it with 5.
No, because you don't have enough information. Because even if you put x equals to y equals to 0, you will still have this unknown and this one. But yes, you can get it. इधर देखो, if you put x is equal to 6, 6 is also a point now. 6 minus 6 whole square plus y is 0 now. Yeah, mathematically we will also get it. ये देखो, mathematically भी you are right. Mathematically also radius is 5. Understood? Ahmed, Ali, Mustafa, Uruj and Wajiha? Because by chance we already know, that this point will have the x coordinate as 6. Okay, try 7. Okay, everyone, now look, in question 7 it says that the points P and Q lie on the circumference of a circle. So the first point is 1 and minus 2. So 1 and minus 2, let's say it's over here. The other point is 7 and 1. So they lie on the circumference, ठीक है? So if I make a circle like, I don't know कैसे बना लगा, गलत बनाती है. Wait. ऐसा होगा कुछ. A bad circle, but good enough for now. ठीक है? So this is the circumference of a circle. These 2 points are on the circumference. ठीक है? The center is somewhere over here. Now, exactly. Beta, if you remember your circle properties well, let's say this is the center, this line will be exactly be perpendicular to the center, right? Okay. And this point will be the midpoint. Okay. Can I find the gradient of this line? I don't know why I'm finding the gradient, but
Gradient से भी इसको perpendicular कर दीजिए.
Yeah, maybe. Okay, what is the gradient of the line PQ? Y2 minus Y1 ना, so 3 upon 6, 1 upon 2. So the gradient of this line will be minus 1 upon minus 2, sorry. Okay, now what is the gradient of this line? Minus 2. सही है. So we are okay with the gradient so far. We already have the gradient of this line, which is
midpoint gives coordinates to
हाँ. If we get the coordinates of the midpoint and put it, we have to basically put it in the equation to prove it lies on this line. So how can I find the coordinates of the center of the circle? Uh, huh? हाँ, I have the midpoint. I can make the equation, but equation बना के भी what will I do? Oh, you put the midpoint. The midpoint lies in the equation. Okay, first finding the midpoint over here, we'll get 7 plus 1 upon 2, 4, minus 2 plus 1 is minus 1 upon 2. So basically what Vijay is saying is if we put this point in this equation, this will work out. So 4 into 4 plus 2 into minus half, is it equals to 15? Yes, it is equals to 15. Okay, it means this is the line. The center is lying on this line. This has the equation 4x plus 2y equals to 15.
सर हम तो और भी चीज कर सकते हैं कि इस वाली y इक्वल्स टू -2x का सर ठीक में ये कोऑर्डिनेट डाल के देख सकते हैं ये तो
वही तो इक्वेशन है, इसी को तो रीअरेंज करा है, इसी में तो मिड पॉइंट डाला है. ओके एवरीवन, वन मोर क्वेश्चन टू एंड द डे. Question 8, yeah, let's do question 8 to end the day. Okay, the circle passes through the point 3 comma 2 and 7 comma 2. Oh, very important point. You know what is the important point? 3 comma 2, let's say this is 2, and 7 comma 2. ठीक है, it is very similar to the previous question. uh, ठीक है, so the circle passes through these 2 points and the radius of the circle is, so let's say this is the center, the radius is 2 root 2. ठीक है, obviously from here as well it's 2 root 2. This point is 7 comma 2, this is 3 comma 2. I have to find the possible equations of the circle. Okay, so x minus a whole squared plus y minus b whole squared is equals to r squared. ठीक है, in place of x I can write 3. In place of b I can write 2 is equals to 2 root 2 square. ठीक है, and then using the other point I can, and why is it telling us के two possible equations? Because no one asked me कि सर यूं अगर आपने बनाया है, you could have made the circle this way as well ना. आप लोग ये भी बोल सकते थे ना कि सर आपने यूं क्यों नहीं बनाया, राइट? समझ में आई बात मैं क्या कह रहा हूँ? So basically that is why there are two possible equations. If I made the circle like this, I should have also and could have also made the circle like this. Horrible circle, but that's the point.
माइनस b
हाँ, हाँ, 2 minus b squared, yeah. Yeah. Thank you for correction. Okay. सही है. So this will become 2 minus b squared. ठीक है. अच्छा, and I can also use the second point. I can write this equation as 7 minus a squared plus again 2 minus b squared is equals to 2 root 2 squared है ना. Okay. अब ये देखो, in from the first equation, can I make 2 minus b whole squared as my subject? So this will become 4 into 2, 8 minus 3 minus a squared है ना. तो मैं 2 minus b squared की जगह ये लिख लेता हूँ. In the second equation, this was the second equation, this was the first equation. इसको मैंने 2 - b² सब्जेक्ट बनाया क्योंकि दोनों में सेम है, और 2 - b की जगह आई विल राइट 8 - 3 - a² is equals to 8. 4 2 8. I can now find, maybe I can find two values of a now, right? 7 minus a plus 8 minus क्या हो जाएगा 9 minus 6a plus a² is equals to 8. ये 8 और 8 गया. I will get 7 minus a minus 9 plus 6a minus a² equals to 0. Minus ना a plus 6 से कितना होता है +5 ना. 7 minus 9 is -2 equals to 0. A² minus 5a plus 2 is equals to 0. Using this, I will have two values of a, मतलब two coordinates for center, and then I can get two values of b as well.
A को सब्जेक्ट
मतलब सब्जेक्ट बनाओ जैसे भी करके, you can find the b value as well, है ना. Once you have the a value, you can find the b value as well. Guys, will you be able to do it now? Mustafa, Wajiha, Uruj, Ahmad Ali, at least अब attempt कर लोगे, right? Maybe I might have made a I don't know, calculation error, but maybe what I've done is correct as well. I would suggest you people do it on your own, and the remaining questions as well. Next class we'll go over past paper questions for the circles and coordinate geometry. Next week we will be going through all of the previous topics one more time, and then 1 more week we'll do yearlies, and after that I will start off with statistics or mechanics, and you will be starting your yearlies every single day. ठीक है, चलो, that's it. खुदा हाफिज.